Most people fail not because they're weak, but because they're waiting to feel ready, waiting for motivation, waiting for the right time. But here's the truth. Motivation is a myth. Discipline is the only way forward. Today, I'm going to show you how to force yourself to achieve any goal, even when you don't feel like it. 1. Motivation is a myth. Discipline wins. Motivation is like a spark. It burns bright for a moment. Then it disappears. But discipline is a muscle. You train it, especially on the days you don't feel like it. You don't rise to your goals. You fall to your habits. 2. Identity-based action. Stop asking, do I feel like doing this? Start asking, what would the disciplined version of me do right now? This one question shifts your entire life. You don't act because you feel motivated. You act because you're becoming the kind of person who keeps promises to themselves. That is identity-based action. 3. Use the 5-second rule. When your brain starts making excuses, act before it convinces you to quit. Count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Move! It interrupts hesitation. It stops the lazy voice in your head. It forces action before excuses appear. This tiny rule builds massive discipline. 4. Flip the pain versus pleasure principle. Your brain wants comfort, but comfort has a hidden cost. Scrolling feels good now, but later, regret. Skipping workouts feels easy now, but later, insecurity and low energy. Success works the opposite way. The hard path today gives the reward tomorrow. Choose your hard. 5. Stack micro wins. Stop waiting for big wins. Start collecting small victories. Write one paragraph. Read one page. Do one push-up. Small wins create momentum. Momentum creates motivation. Motivation creates consistency. Your entire life changes one micro win at a time. 6. Become your own coach, not your critic. You're not going to be perfect. You will fail. But failure is a moment, not your identity. When you slip, don't say, I'm useless. Say, that was one moment. I'm still in the fight. Winners recover fast. Losers quit early. 7. The Deathbed Test. Imagine yourself at the end of your life, looking back. Ask, will I be proud of how I lived, or will I regret letting comfort steal my potential? This single thought will force you to act now, not later, now. You don't need motivation. You need systems. You need discipline. You need you showing up even on the hard days. If you want more videos like this, hit subscribe and remember, no excuses, only action.